Here I have InFocus M810 and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation on that device by using the InFocus settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the settings icon. Then from the following list under personal, let's choose backup and reset. From the following options, let's choose factory data reset, and this will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone and tap erase everything to accomplish the operation. The phone is performing the hard reset, so the device is erasing all personal data and customized settings. You need to wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.